What's up, guys? Mr. Hadnot checking in with you. I'm here with another unboxing. All these items will be in the link in the description, and it came from Amazon. When wiring a car, you need the proper connectors. And these are insulated wire connectors. That's what they look like. You got a male and a female. And you need I just bought a spool. It was pretty cheap, like 18 bucks, over 100 foot of 14 gauge wire. Red for positive, black for negative. And I bought this kit here. I'm going to install in the Scion. This is a dual USB outlet, and it has a plug for your cigarette lighter. All right. And I'm going to install this. This is a plastic piece below the air conditioning unit by the floor. I'm going to install this right down in here. It was a guy that installed a single one of these right here last week, and I'll put his YouTube channel link in the description on a how-to. I'm not going to do a how-to for this. It's self-explanatory, but if you need help, just look at his YouTube channel. It's Oil and Gears. He's a nice guy, and I respect his work on keeping these Scions on the road. And then I have some dents. Remember, I bought this car from Copart. It has some dents from the accident. This is a 41-piece DIY Paintless dent repair kit. Has these pieces here. You know, comes with a glue gun with the glue, and another part right here you can use on the car. Towel. Some more glue, with a hammer. Instructions is a must. And several videos. You can, if you have a smartphone, which everybody should have a smartphone, you just hit this, scan this, and the tutorials will pop up. And it's very detailed. I have watched them, and they have a link on their Amazon account that has the videos up to how to put this stuff together. They have this is the 41 piece. They have I think a 75 piece and a 100 piece, depending on the application you're going to be using. I just decided to use this 41 piece because I'm a beginner, and the only thing that's really missing that I should have bought was the light, but I can just use my I got some lights that's in my shop I'll use. All right, guys, I appreciate all your support and your positive feedback. Also, I want to give a shout out to Hernandez Auto Salvage in McKinney. I just came down there to pick up some parts for the Scion XB. They have about 4 of those out there. And actually, when I pulled up and went to go look at one, that one was going to the crusher today, and I happened to buy some parts off of it that would have been crushed. So I'm happy for that. Let's just keep these Scions on the road, guys. God bless, take care, stay woke, stay motivated, and help someone along the way in this journey called life. Hadnot and Sons, we get the job done. Hadnot out.